Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will quickly show you how to save a YouTube video to your gallery or device. If you want to download a video you have uploaded to YouTube, tap your profile, then go to your that YouTube studio. After that, after clicking, you will see a page like this. Click on content here, and then you will see go to audio library, and you will see the music you have used here, the list. Now from here, go to the top on the right side and click download. After clicking download, you will see the download has begun and it will be saved to your device. To save other people's video, to go to open any video on YouTube, at the bottom tap the download button. You can choose between high or medium quality, but note these features requires a YouTube premium subscription. If you are a premium user, the video will be saved for offline viewing, but only within the YouTube app, not in your gallery. So this first method is useful as it is going to your file or gallery. And that's how you can save videos from YouTube, either directly to your gallery or offline using inside the app. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.